right now. Your boy Gordo and my brother right here. We're actually on our way to downtown LA, closer to Koreatown, passing Boiling Heights. Andamos a todo lo que da ahorita. Well, thing is, I've been in the works, going back and forth with my boy Beto out in Texas from On The Gas. And I actually breed dogs, French bulldogs. Been doing it for quite some time. And I offered my boy one, you know what I mean? Hey, aquí está este perrito, ¿qué onda? You need a shop dog, you know what I mean? You know me, being a salesman. I showed my boy the dogs I had, and I offered him a previous litter from my Fendi and Hustler. 2-time Padre, but he was looking for something more exotic, you know? The Merle's caught his eye. I had Kimbo on Facebook. When I got him as a puppy, well, we got him as a puppy in the camp, and he sent me that picture, like, hey, something like this, you know, off style. You gotta keep it exotic over here. I got you, my boy. You know what? As a matter of fact, I just bred to this badass boy Patron from my boy Lux Bullies, Aussie, OG in the truck scene. I'm gonna go ahead and post Patron right here. Yeah, man, this boy, I bred to him twice. Gave me 2 badass litters. You know, if you're looking for a proven producer, this boy's the one. He's a lilac, Merle. Yeah, man. And I told him, you know what? Luckily, I bred twice to him. I have 2 females that I'm gonna confirm. El que salga primero, you know, that's gonna be your boy, that color. Right, Simon. So yeah, we waited, spent maybe like a month or so, and then I confirmed the Gigi was fat. She was pregnant, she took for sure. So I let my boy know, hey, you know what? We are expecting this letter's gonna drop this day. Just let me know. I was like, you know what? Yep, let's do it. Keep me updated. Well, I told him I was gonna keep him updated, and I did weekly. Actually, every month. You know, while the litter was born, and when it was born, luckily it was the only Merle, not in the litter, but the only Merle male that color that he was actually searching for, you know, that he had requested me for. And I sent it to him, hey, es el único que nació, este color, cachorro, you know. Yeah, my boy liked it. Moving forward, I told him, you know what, I'll let you know, I need the most vulnerable times to pass, que pasen, and, you know, just so he'll be safe. All right, yeah, cool, keep me updated. Simon, I whelped the first 4 litters.
Stop it. Get some help.
Then my partner took on the other 4. I mean, you know, se hizo la machaca, y pues ya quedamos de acuerdo. My boy, I know he's always busy. He said he would come down here personally, pero honestly, with his schedule, it would be like late July, I believe he had mentioned. And the whole point of this, I mean, to have a puppy is, you know what I mean, the puppy stages. And I told him specifically, I mean, it's cool, I'll hold him for you, but you're gonna miss out the whole puppy stage, you know? Y pues ya se armó, so mandó a su primo. His cousin's down here. He was doing some work down here. I forgot what he said he was doing. Oh, I think it was tat. He was getting tatted. Y pues he's gonna stop by, you know? As soon as I pick him up, we'll go from there. And also I planned a little meet. Little get-togethers, you know, for the On The Gas vlog. You know, make it pop, keep it consistent, just like how they always been putting out their content. Gotta keep, you know, stay up with their level and shit. Enjoy the road, man. Alright guys, we're here with my boy Xavier.
What's up guys, it's your boy Xavier with the gas.
Yes sir, just picked up my boy. We've been on the road for about what, like 30-40 minutes now?
Like 30 minutes, yeah.
So we're just around, we're about like 5 minutes away from the camp. So I can go ahead and introduce, his name's Lil Durk now, amigo Beto. Lil Durk. You're gonna go ahead and meet Lil Durk. Tomorrow you're flying out early with them, ¿verdad?
Yes sir, yes sir, I will be flying out early.
Yeah man, go ahead and turn on the camera as soon as we get to the camp. And my boy taking delivery of Lil Durk. First reaction, there's you, my boy Xavier, taking delivery of Lil Durk.
What's up guys?
Walking in right now.
What
De aquí lo ves.
Oh, it's nice. Are you gonna bring it over here? Bring it over here. I'm trying to see.
No lo pongas en la. Yes, sir.
Wow. Oh my god.
That's it right there, big dog.
Look at it. Look at it.
What do you think?
Oh, it's
First
beautiful.
reaction.
Oh yeah, it's so nice.
It's fucking beautiful, huh?
Oh yeah, he's Beto's gonna love the dog. Y'all check it out.
Right there. Think Beto doesn't like him or what?
Oh, he's gonna love him. Oh,
Hey,
yeah.
Lil Durk, like Merle. That's a direct Patron son off of my boy Lux Bullies. Another OG in the truck scene, as I mentioned before. Yeah, man. This boy's gonna make his way out to Texas, huh?
Oh yeah, he's gonna be on the plane with me tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning, early in the morning. Yeah, man, what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna go ahead and just give him his last round of vaccines. So le lleve cero nice and
Cool.
up to date.
Let's get to it.
All right, big dog. All right. We just give the other round of vaccine to Lil Durk with my boy Diego. ¿Verdad, Diego?
Hey.
He le dio sus vacunitas, and my boy is about to take them back to LA, no?
Back to we're going back to LA.
Oh,
and
but
after
we're
that,
yeah.
he'll be going home with me to Houston because it is for my boy Beto.
Yes, sir.
So he's about that dog.
Oh,
He's gonna like it.
Yeah, just keep me updated with his pictures, brother.
yeah.
I definitely want to see this little guy grow. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and make our way out to Bristol and Edinger. Meet you guys. We'll see you guys over there.